The following video film demonstrates the procedure for removing the insert in Cytec dry suit inflation hoses. During the removal operation, please use the appropriate protective devices like safety goggles. Should you require a repair kit, then contact Cytec at recall@cytec.se or ring 0046 523 150 10. We will repeat this address and telephone number at the end of the film. The repair kit consists of a screw to remove the insert. Follow the instructions very carefully. If there is anything you don't understand, then contact Cytec or the point of purchase, that is, where you bought the dry suit or the hose. Disconnect the hose from the reducer valve. Identify the batch code on the hose. The batch code contains 3 characters, and you'll find it on the hexagonal nut of the hose socket. Check that the hose is supposed to have an insert by comparing the batch code with the list provided on www.cytec.se. Batch codes that begin with the letter U, X, Y, and Z might be subject to recall. Check that the hose doesn't carry any markings, either by a punched dot on the hexagonal nut of the hose or a plastic tag. If either of these are present or the interior diameter is stamped upon the hose, then the insert has already been removed. No further action is required. When performing the removal, please fill out and follow the Customer Insert Removal form, which you can download from www.cytec.se. Fill in your batch code on the form. The tools you'll need to carry out the removal are a screw and a suitable screwdriver and a set of pliers. If an insert of colour black, blue or green is present, proceed with the removal. If there is no insert present, then please fill out the customer removal form and send it to Cytec. Please be advised, if you can't find the insert, then on no account, I'll repeat that, on no account, carry out a dive with a hose that is subject to this recall, or indeed any other equipment that has been connected to a hose like this, until further investigation has been carried out and the insert has been correctly removed. To remove the insert using the suggested screwdriver, put the screw into the hole. Remove the insert with the pliers by simply gripping it and pulling it out. Dispose of the insert in a bin designated for waste disposal. To remove the residual debris, use a Q-tip or blow the surface clean. For the recall, there are markings to help you identify when a hose has been successfully subjected to a removal. The reason for this marking system is to identify a hose that has been submitted to the proposed action during the recall. To mark your hose, punch a dot onto the surface of the hexagonal nut next to the batch code. You'll need a die punch or a nail and a hammer. Protect yourself by wearing safety goggles. Put the hose onto a hard, resistant surface and punch in the dot with the hammer. To mark your hose with a label, you'll need to order the label from your point of purchase, that is, where you bought the suit from, or just contact Cytec. Bind the label using plastic strips around the hose. Hoses produced after the recall are marked with an inside diameter in millimeters. The hose might have an inside diameter of 1.5 mil or 3.0 mil. Hoses where the inside diameter is carried on the hexagonal nut are not subject to recall. When a removal has been successfully completed, please fill in the Customer Insert Removal form and send it to Cytec. For more information and the latest updates, please visit the Cytec website at www.cytec.se. And here are those addresses and telephone numbers again. recall@scitech.se or ring 0046 523 15010.